So hello. So today I am going to introduce you to a Python, the language of today and tomorrow. So I am basically starting this a new playlist that we are going from beginning to the pro level. And today just it is an introduction session. And also if we are going to choose one language, so we should go from the basic from that language. Means all the basic we should learn first. So, by considering this, I am going to start this playlist. And although this is going to from hero means zero to hero playlist, means if anyone from beginning they need to start the Python, then we are going to that means they can join with me. So, what is that basically? Uh, in the introduction of the Python means just think that Python is one of the most powerful and the popular programming language in the world, and also it plays a huge role in modern technologies. Many of the apps and services we use daily depends on the Python in the background language. So think that means in globally nowadays Python is going to use more and more. Going to the next slide means by considering that Python is going to be used in a regular basis language. We can say that Python is an high level interpreted programming language. Also, why the Python is going to be known more, because it is more simple, means its simplicity. Also, the readability and versatility, it is used everywhere. Means we can use Python everywhere in our day to day life. Means this is a very easy and simple language, user friendly language. So we can learn this language very easily, and from this language we are going to build web applications. Also in automation of the tools nowadays, generative AI is going to come, and this Python language going to use in the automation. Whether you are streaming a show, booking a flight, or chatting with an AI, then Python is likely working behind all these the scenes. If you are working with any AI, then the Python is behind that scene. So we are means we are starting this playlist. Then going to the history, who is the father of the Python language? Means who invented this language? So this person you are seeing in these slides, the name of this person is Guido van Rossum, and he was created Python first in the 1991. And this the name of this language Python was came from the comedy series that was in the Monty Python's Flying Circus. Also, now this is an organization, means one of the giant become most popular organization, and it maintains the Python Software Foundation (PSF) in its organization. Coming to the next slide, why we should learn the Python? Because there it has more advantages, and some of the advantages is that it is very beginner friendly. Python is simple syntax. Also, we can able to read it and make it excellent choice for newcomers to the programmers. Also, it is very smooth language to the learn. Means Python can be learned by anyone. Students use Python for academics, projects, and research. Beginners prefer Python because it is easy to start with. Also, it is versatile application. We can use in to generate any application. Also we can use to analysis the data. Nowadays it is more using in the AI field. So Python is the foundational language across the diverse tech field. Also it is having high demand nowadays. Means if we look the data for the 2025, then globally the most language demanded language is Python, one of them from that. So Python developers are highly sought after the companies worldwide looking for a professional language. Even the people from the non-IT background. they are going to learn the Python language and they are going to enter in the IT career field. Also, what we are going to learn in this our playlist means we are going to start from the basic to the advanced level. We are going from zero, means starting from the zero, and we are going to be a hero in this series. So stay tuned with me. Also, we are going to solve the most logical problems from coding questions, quizzes, and we try to make some projects on the basis of this what we learn the language from this. Now, what basically you will require for the laptop or PC, or otherwise you will able to see the lecture or the playlist from your mobile too. But I will introduce how to means install that Python software, how to install that all the necessary libraries, and you are going to need the internet connection. This is most important nowadays in our day-to-day life. So why the Python is going to be most powerful language and why it matters a lot in our day-to-day life? Because first thing is that it is very easy to learn. Means Python is very easy to learn due to its readable syntax. Also, it allows the fast development and testing of the ideas. Also, it is used to uh, do very build very quick applications and test the ideas very quickly. Python is a free and open resource and work on all the major platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux system. That's why the startups and the companies prefer Python to build products quickly. Now, what basically I explained earlier that we are going from all the basics and means if we are going to create our basics very clearly, then we are going to means if we are going to approach the big problem or any logical concept, then our understanding will be better. So, starting from the very scratch basic, we are going to first build the basic of all the Python language, then functions, loops, and we are going to build some projects and applications or algorithms to uh, make some project means or any live project we should learn from this playlist. Look what the goal was achieved by the Gadios Gadios Van Rosen. That was easy. Second thing is it is an also open source and it is very readable and elegant language. Also, in our day-to-day life, we are going to use such type of words. Therefore, Python is very easy language for a beginner person or any person who has not having IT career. They can also going to start with us. So this is roadmap that we are going to follow, or every Python, those who learn the Python, they are going to follow. Means they learn the Python first, also then after that they are going to work on that project and get certificate and launch their career in the IT companies. Now look here where the Python is going to use. Means by keeping this in mind, means in each and every field the Python programming language is going to be used. Means first if we think about finance and the business, to analysis the market, trading systems, and AI automations systems, the Python language is going to use. If you know the big giant in the trading and the finance business, then if you heard the name of Bloomberg or BlackRock, such like companies, they are going to use the AI automations that will trigger the target and means capture the what we say that means to put the orders and to execute the orders automatically. In this way, Python means is going to be used in the finance and the business too. Also in the healthcare, like medical research, patient data analysis, in each and every field, Python is going to be used. Education, science, and research. Now, if we think that this Python is going to use in each and every field, so the reason behind that is that we should learn the Python. Means we should adapt this technology. going to be using now this AI era. So, for example, if you are going to book the cab, like if you are using the Ola Uber car, then they are going to use the Python to calculate the route and Spotify the uses of Python. Also, Python is going to use in apps like Netflix, Instagrams. The algorithm run behind that you are getting that reels, that all the algorithm run on the behind of that Python code. So how the Python is going to be in action means in each and every field, like in AI machine learning, in game development, in data science, automation, also in enterprise solutions. Means in each and every field, the Python language is going to be boom now. So you should learn this Python language. And after that, oh, okay, I have told you that globally the Python language ranks one. It means it is having more demand in the 2025 means onward. It will having great demand in the language. And if you search the jobs that are having in the market nowadays, that are like an Python developer too. Also, the Java is one of the language from it. It is an competitor as like Python means comparison between that. But both the language are good. Everyone has its particular own choice, so we are going with Python. So follow the roadmap and let's start our Python journey and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And thank you to for watching this video, and bye bye, have a nice day.